In this video, I will be showing how to make a game that can be played by mobile players. Now let's get started. You can start off by getting the arrows sprite. Then change it to Costume D. Now, go to the player and put on if sprite, click then cast, up. Now put on when I get the cast, go upwards by 10. Make it that it also goes to where you want to spawn the player. From now on, you have to set the costume to C and then A and then last B. After that, at costume C should be down, A should be right, and B should be left. From now on, you can watch me making it in the background. Now you have a good game to be playing on mobile. Thank you for watching the video.